Good morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee from SS Public School once again giving you some important questions which are related with that of the half-yearly exams. So it's not necessary that these questions will come, but these type of patterns of questions will come in the exam itself. So I am giving you the questions from first that is 8 chapter 9 and 10 chapter of your class 9 physics. So first question is, what is uniform and non-uniform motion? The uniform motion is the motion in which the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. And non-uniform motion is the object which covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. That is the difference between these two, uniform and non-uniform. You can give an example that the motion of a car every 5 hours will be 10 kilometers. That is a uniform motion, and the motion in random order is what we call the non-uniform motion. How does the odometer of an automobile measure? What does the odometer of an automobile measure? The odometer of an automobile measures the distance of the automobile. What is uniform circular motion, and give an example? Uniform motion, circular motion is the motion of a particular particle which is there in the circular order and which is steady. That is what we call the uniform circular motion, or in other words you can say that if the motion of the object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, which is called the uniform circular motion. Now define the Newton's first law of motion with an example. Newton's first law of motion shows that when an object is in motion, it will continue to be in motion, and the object which is in red, it will continue to be in the rest position until and unless an external force acts on it. We can give an example of a carpet when dust with a duster. When the carpet is being dusted over. If action is always reaction to the equal to the reaction, explain how a horse can pull the cart. The horse is pulling the cart in the forward direction, and the wheels of the horse is getting an opposite force towards the cart itself, which helps them to which is there in the opposite direction with the help of the with this action reaction pair itself. With the help of the cart itself, he is getting an opposite reaction, and the horse is pulling this cart in the forward direction. That is what we have, the action and the reaction pair. Derive the mathematical formulation of the second law of motion. This mathematical formulation is there in the chapter number 219, page number, it will be there. Give the importance of the universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation, it binds the earth towards the other planets, towards the sun itself, and it helps in the it helps in the motion of the planet around the sun. It helps in the tide formation due to the moon and the stars. It helps us to bind us from the earth itself, and it helps in the motion of the moon around the earth itself. So these are the four importance. Difference between mass and weight. Mass is something which is definitely changing, and weight is something which is not changing at all. We can have the SI units differ from these two, mass and weight. We have the SI units given by the different formulation. SI unit is not being given, sorry. Mass is directly proportional to weight, and F is equals to M into A, and we have F is equals to G into M into G itself, where A is the acceleration due to gravity, which is defined by G itself, and in mass we are in different order. Mass, we have different mass in different parts of the earth itself. It is changing, it is varying. It is the measure of its inertia. Mass is the measure of its inertia. Whether weight is not the measure of the inertia itself. The weight of an object is with which attract towards the earth itself. That is what we call the weight. This is the difference between weight and mass. Tracking mass. What is Archimedes' principle? Archimedes, when the body is fully or partially immersed in it, it exerts a upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced from it itself. That is what is called the Archimedes' principle, and is given by Archimedes. He, when he was experimenting something in the bathtub, when he stepped into the bathtub, he generally got this particular formula, that is Archimedes principle itself. So I hope so that these questions are very much clear to you, and please go through these questions and be ready for your half yearly exams. Thank you.